Hi there, I'm Matt Hill and I'm the Admissions Manager here at AECC University College. We would really recommend that you start your personal statement in Microsoft Word and you can play around with it as much as you want before you then transfer it into your UCAS application. It's your opportunity, the personal statement, to really emphasise why it is that you're applying for this particular course. So for some applicants it may be that there was a particular incident at some point in their life that really drove them towards wanting to do this course. For other applicants it may just be that you were searching the UCAS website, for example, and you found this course and thought that sounds like a great course. But whatever it is, it's really important to convey your motivation for wanting to do that course within your personal statement. The other thing that's really important to note with the personal statement is it's your chance to talk about the things that you do in and outside of school or college. So talk about the things that you do in your leisure time, on the weekend. It might be that you play for a sports team, it may be that you do music, it may be that you work part-time somewhere. Tell us a bit more about that because it gives us a better idea of the type of individual that you are. And please make sure that you leave yourself lots of time to do the personal statement, because the first iteration of your personal statement will absolutely not be your last. So you'll need to play around with it a lot. So it's important that you give yourself plenty of time.